So, hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Hariom Survanshi, and in this video we are going to discuss about stack data type in Python. And this is we going to implement using Python list, and we will discuss how we can use Python list to use that as a stack. Okay. So first of all, we will understand what is a stack. Okay, and then we will go into the practical implementation of stack using Python list. Okay. So here theoretically we will understand what is stack basically. Okay, so it is a linear data structure. Okay. Okay, it is a linear data structure where you can store data in the linear form. Okay, like in list you can see, or in array you can see data stored in a linear way. Okay, so here we can see, let's create a structure of a stack. So basically it looks like this, and this is a stack. Okay, it looks like this, and this is, we can say, okay, so this is a stack. So basically this is 1 here, and 2 will be here, and 3 will be here, and 4 will be here. Okay, so this is the last element. Okay, so this is the last element. Okay, this is the last element in the stack, and this one is the first element. Okay, this one is the first element in the, we can say, in this stack. Okay, so this stack use the last in first out, last in last in first out. Okay, this is LIFO. Okay, it work on the LIFO. Okay, whenever you are giving interview or in the exam, okay, you will get question like stack follows which one rule. Okay, last in first out, first in first out. Okay, these type of options they will give, and they will ask how stack works. So last in first out, this is how stack works. Last in first out means that this fourth element is inserted at the last. Okay, this fourth element is inserted at the last. But when we talk about taking out, so this is going to be the first element when we will take element from the stack. When we put the element, so this will be the last, and when taking element from the stack, so it is going to be the first element. That's why last in and first out. Okay, so this follows the last in first out principle. So this is what we discussed about the stack in Python theoretically, and now we will move towards the uh, okay, now we will look into practically implementation of stack, and we will discuss the definition and how it performs. Okay, so in Python, a stack is a linear data structure that follows the last in first out principle. Okay, this we discussed earlier, and this means that the last element added to the stack is the first one to be removed. Okay, so this means that the last element added to the stack is the first element to be removed. Okay, you can think of a stack as a collection of elements with two main operations, push and pop. Okay, and we will implement both the operations. So push means what? Adding an element to the top of the stack. Okay, and removing the element from the stack. Okay, let's see. Python doesn't have a built-in stack data structure, but you can easily implement a stack using a list. Here's how you can create a stack and perform push and pop operations using a Python list. Okay, so let's see. This is a stack and this is empty stack, we can say. Okay, creating an empty stack. And what we are doing, we have element 42 and stack.append. Okay, for pushing, okay, for push you need to use append method, stack.push element. So it will push the element at the last. Okay, let's see. I will run, and now I will see this is the first element. And let's see here, before this element, after this element, I want to push one more element. uh, let's see, 45. Okay, so now you can see 42 and 45 I have. Okay, because I'm pushing, so 42 is first and 45 is the last element. Okay, so this is the last pushed here. And now what I want, if stack, I want to remove top elements, okay, from the stack. Okay, so I will do, if stack, there is some data on the stack, so check using if statement, and top element equal to stack.pop. Using pop method, you will pop the element. Okay, using pop, and it will remove the last element. Okay, so when you remove, okay, so you can see popped element is a 45 because this is the last element. So this is what we discussed. Last in, this is entered last. Okay, here this is entered last, but it got popped first. So this is how it working, and it behaving as a last in first out principle. Okay, so this is very simple in Python to implement stack. Okay, but here the important thing is that definition of stack and how stack works. Okay, these things you need to keep in mind. Okay, let me point out this definition here. Okay, so thank you so much. This is all from my side on this video. Thank you so much.